Sometimes in Honeycomb, I get my query all entered and there's no data and crap, I'm in the wrong environment. I meant to be over here. Now my query is gone. Okay, here's a trick. Go back, so now I have the right query, but I'm in the wrong place. I click this 3-dot menu above Run Query, and then I choose View Query Definition for API. All right, here's the query spec in JSON. Copy it with this copy button. Now I go back and I choose the new environment. Check the data set, and I want this one. Now, here's the magic. The URL currently ends with the dataset name. I add a question mark, and then query equals, and then paste. All that JSON goes in the URL, and poof, that's my query, and here's my data. This trick works across environments and across teams. If you want more details, check docs.honeycomb.io and look under Query Template links. Happy honeycombing!